My name is Robert McGuire, and I am the founder of the Castle of the Island Society. We are a voluntary group who are committed to preserving the history and built heritage of Castleisland Castle. This year, we will celebrate the 800-year anniversary of the construction of the castle and the foundation of the town. The event, entitled Castleisland 800, will be held from the 1st to the 3rd of May 2026. On Friday the 1st of May, the premiere of the documentary The Castle of the Island will take place in the local River Island Hotel. The long-awaited documentary will reveal the colourful history of the castle, which was controlled by the Fitzgeralds, the Earls of Desmond, also known as the Geraldines. The documentary will also feature a stunning new digital reconstruction of the Desmond stronghold, as well as explore recent phases of conservation works on the castle. These conservation works have ensured that our local castle, after which our town is named, will survive into the long and distant future. On Saturday the 2nd of May, a history conference will be held in the River Island Hotel. This day-long conference will include a series of talks on a variety of topics relating to the colourful history of our town and locality. To conclude the 3-day milestone event on Sunday the 3rd of May, there will be a special morning mass, followed by a parade and ceremony. The ceremony will include speeches and music, as well as the grand unveiling of a sculpture in honour of Gerald Fitzgerald, the last great Earl of Desmond. The Castle of the Island Society will lead the 3-day event, along with the support of other local groups, including Castleisland District Heritage, Castleisland Chamber Alliance, as well as local schools and clubs. Together, we aspire to make Castleisland 800 a historic and all-inclusive event. As we eagerly approach this special 3-day event, I call upon the people of Castleisland and beyond to join us in celebrating this historic milestone event. As an old Gaelic proverb goes, Niart go cur le céile, there is no strength without unity. Long may our Desmond stronghold stand tall and watch over our town and its people, as it has done so for 800 years.